Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 17. Add notes to your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, locate the file work.pptx, double click on this. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment, and now we have the PowerPoint presentation on screen. Let's go to the first slide. If we go to click to add notes on the bottom of the screen, we can add a couple of notes which we can then print off and view at the same time as presenting the presentation. So and why may you want to add notes when it comes to presenting? As reiterated before, you can give yourself a head start with the notes on the printouts, so when it comes to presenting, you are then more comfortable with your lines that you will be using to present to an audience. Let's go to slide number 2. Three, 4, and so on. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.